did you say while I was gone that you were done living here?
Rafael?
See, he is not done living here. Are you done living here, Rafael?
No.
You love it here?
Yeah.
You love it living in America?
Yeah, visiting us Grandma. Grandma and Grandpa are gonna come over.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a special day for us. It's Rafael's official first day of his last week of the month and a half that he's been in school. Very excited for it. He already graduated. Now all he has left to do is get better. So we're gonna put him there, go to the gym as always, do some shopping. Actually, in Israel, we used to do shopping on Fridays too, because that was my day off. You know, it's a half a business day basically, and a half school day. But besides that, my job anyway in the military, I was off for that, so I'd have half a Friday off and then Saturday. So today we're gonna go shopping like we traditionally did. When I say shopping, I mean for groceries. And it's not going to be a whole lot, it's just going to be refills here and there because we got pretty stocked up on deals and such that we got before. So this is like regular items that we consume pretty much always. Oats is one of them. We do have a rotation on breakfast, so today we have oats, and that rotation is like 4 or 5 breakfasts, usually with protein in them, like 50 to 80% protein. This is one of the breakfasts without protein in it really, and what it is oats with raisins, some cinnamon, and organic chocolate milk as a filler. So it feels like they're eating cereal and not oats. They do like it with the chocolate milk or regular milk, and sometimes I even spice it up and put yogurt in there. Good morning.
Good morning.
How would you like? How'd you like your oats?
Good. You say that when I'm done with the oats. And Daddy, you were actually not have Friday off in the military.
No, I had a complete day off, but it's a half a business day. Stores would close by about 2 to 3 p.m. Some of them even closed halfway through.
It was the day off.
All right. How do you like your oats? Is it good? Is it bad?
It's good.
All right. So you're gonna finish eating because it's almost 7, and we're gonna leave soon, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right, Abigail?
What time is it? Yes.
It's 6:50.
6:50.
Yeah. So usually I also sit with them for breakfast, but sometimes I don't. And today is one of these days because we have to get ready to leave. Everyone's leaving.
Get ready to leave, Daddy. Get ready to leave, Daddy. Today
also marks the first official day of us car hunting, and it's very important to me, as you may have or may have not known, being an auto enthusiast. All of it, you know, off-roading, racing, everything. I do the research, but I don't participate. So it's time to participate. We're car hunting. I have all the best advice from the internet. I take most of that advice in a way that I should to process it. What I mean by that is Carfax, and I do a lot of cross-referencing, see what service history the cars have. I found a couple good ones that we are going to try today. It's going to be a model of a car that we are interested in getting. It's much older. It's like simple living, basically. Probably going to be about 15 years old, but hopefully really well maintained like the pictures and service history shows. I'm going to do a deep inspection on it and make sure that Andrea likes to drive and sit in it. It should be a really comfortable one. But like I said, it's much older, and good luck to us.
Another workout day. Woohoo! Yeah, I don't think I'm going to go back to that girl because she did give me something that I could have done myself. Orange hair. Hey!
Hey!
How you doing, girl?
I'm not in my seat yet.
Raphael's been doing so good. Daddy gave him some dates for a treat today.
I got some dates.
He's got gym class today, so he's all dressed up. Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
I'm up here.
Yeah, you're up here. There's Daddy. Okay, we're going to test drive this vehicle right here. Test driving it. Never been in it before. We don't like the condition of this vehicle at all.
Oh, you're talking to the camera?
Yeah, right now I am. We don't like the condition of it. It is like there's rust everywhere, like on everything. The tire rims are corroded, like he drove it in the beach is what it looks like. The seats are very worn, but we're just going to drive this specific model and year and brand because this is the car that we want and the year and everything that we want. So we are going to just drive it. This is our first test drive and we're gonna see if we like it. But everything in here is very sticky.
Come on, Abigail.
It's sticky, it's old.
It's waxy, so
Yeah, it's so old and like when you touch it, it's sticky. It's the condition is very bad. It probably doesn't look bad, but it's very bad, especially for the price that it is right now. But this is a buy here, pay here place. And you know, we're new in the country. I haven't been here for 10 years, so my credit is like non-existent.
We're not here to judge, we're just testing it out.
His credit's non-existent, so we're working on our credit right now so we can actually, you know.
I'm not sure how much you talked and what you talked about, but I've already explained that we're getting a
Oh, have you?
Older.
We're getting an older vehicle.
Way cheaper than, it's gonna be cheaper than buying a brand new car.
Like even the wood in here is sticky. Like everything is
Waxy.
old.
All right, go ahead.
Like 1970, feeling old.
Hard to talk about what people haven't done to it.
No one's done any service on this car, it feels like. The rims, like everything inside of the rim and the tire is like rusted and corroded. It's really bad. This car, I could take it or leave it. But I wouldn't take it for this much money, for sure. I would give maybe half of what they're asking for, but he's not gonna take that, of course. So,
this is the first time we're in.
Yeah.
We just want to see how it feels.
Yeah.
This is like the Land Cruiser in Israel.
Like
Prado,
it.
that's
Yeah.
what it's called. And it's the older, like this is 15 years old. People have not serviced this really well.
They have not taken care of it.
Off-road worthy, more than 95% of the cars
and
in
the
the
brakes
world.
don't feel like they're good. When I was driving it, I didn't feel like the brakes were good. You know, and then when I was going, the steering wheel started doing this after a while, so I'm not sure if it was, I'm not sure if that's the car or the road, or if that's indicative of the car itself, or just this specific car. I don't know. We'll have to test drive another one when that time comes, when we find another one. These are hard to find specific year, so when you find one, you have to jump on it, especially if it's cheap. We've already lost 2 of them, but you know, when you lose things, we looked for a house for 2 years. When you lose things, it's for a reason. So maybe our perfect car is coming too. Yeah, she likes it. Well, we're testing the off-road, and oh my goodness, oh, I love Florida. You don't know how much I love it now, even more.
It's good, what?
It's got really bad music in here too. What the heck was that? We're in a Sequoia now. It's 8,000. Higher rollover risk. I don't like that. Anyway, look at the sunglass hole. Not 1, not 2, not 3 even.
Yeah.
Not 4, but 5 sunglass holders. Seriously? What? Oh, it must be a Floridian car. I mean, it's nice. I like it. To be very honest, I like this one. This is a Toyota Sequoia. I like this one better than the Lexus. But this is bigger and cheaper, and I like this one better. I just do. This is a 2005. The other one was a 2004. I don't know. I just like it. Look at that. It's got the floor for the kids, so they don't trash it up. And it's leather, all leather seats. This is a nice vehicle. But what about the 5
Abby, there's cars everywhere, okay?
5 sunglass holders. I don't get that. And I guess this is supposed to be like, this is not an advanced model or something. Like you're supposed to have a sunroof or whatever, but they got the cheap model. I don't know. I'm confused on why there's 5 sunglass holders, but I think you're supposed to have some other kind of like TV and even a mirror back there so you can see your kids or something. But I do like this car. He is on a conference call, so we cannot test drive anymore right now until like an hour from now. But we don't know. We don't know if we want to test drive this or not, but we do know that we like a Toyota Sequoia. It's nice inside. The guy is letting us test drive it, letting us take it home to test drive. It's like get a real world feel for it. She's already passed out. That's real world right there. It definitely hauls. It definitely passes people fastly. It's a little bumpy. It doesn't ride like a boat, as you can see. I'll hit you up there. I'm extremely tired because we worked out this morning. I'm still in my gym attire. He changed. He brought clothes. I did not. I didn't think we were going to be uptown that long. There's a rattle up here. I think the people who had it before us smoked because I have a bit of a headache and my nose is on fire. I don't know why the lights, the dome lights are all on. We haven't figured that out yet. But it has a sunroof. It's nice. It's a really nice ride. I'm very comfortable in it. It's push button start. I said ultimately it's his decision on what he wants to get because I'm pretty much happy with anything that's worth its money. You know what I mean? Anything that's, even if we don't get like a super good deal on something, if it's worth it, then it's worth it. Yeah, she likes it. Well, what do you think of the car?
Good.
Oh, you like it? Because his first reaction was, there's not enough room for all of my stuff. So he has a backpack. And then it is a smaller car than a Sienna, of course, because a Sienna is like having a living room back behind us, you know, for the kids. So it is quite a bit different. Oh, it must be a bus stop here. It's so slow. Anyway, we're going to take it back to the dealership, and we're most likely going to say we don't want this vehicle for 2 reasons. We live on a road that has a lot of bumps. And I'm not just saying like the road in front of our house.
Why don't you just call it a dirt road and be done with it?
I'm saying like the road, the highway road has a lot of bumps on it. And it's not as cushy as you would imagine it to be. I mean, it's cushy in here, but it's stiff. It's a stiff vehicle.
Comfort now. It's got comfort mode on it.
Oh, does it?
And it slings you around.
I had to take a shower. I just worked out.
Is made for road. A good road, like brand new. Town.
Well, I have to mention that I took a shower and changed my clothes so they don't think it's another day. I do change my clothes once in a while, you know.
You know what, David?
Yes, Rafael?
Once in a while.
I got a cookie and nope, because he did not take his test.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah, he was asleep. He was like...
Oh, so he didn't get to take his test. But you took your test and got a cookie, huh?
Yes.
All right.
He didn't even go to recess either.
Oh, well.
He was on red.
He was on red. Okay, well.
Were you green, Rafael?
We're trying to stay away from people who get into trouble a lot. I know it's hard because they make more fun.
Yeah.
But we got to... Oh, my goodness. And Rafael's so good at math. Anyway, we're going to take this vehicle back, see if he's got anything else that was like... We have a list of 3 cars that we want. Different models.
That was the Land Cruiser, about 1980.
Yeah.
What do you like about living here?
Raphael, Daddy just said we're going back to Israel. We're done living here. What do you say about that, Raphael?
Did you say while I was gone that you were done living here?
Raphael?
See, he is not done living here. Are you done living here, Raphael?
No.
You love it here?
Yeah.
You love it living in America?
Yeah, visiting us Grandma. Grandma and Grandpa are gonna come over.
Grandma and Grandpa might come over, but I doubt they're gonna live here. They might come over from Israel, though. Hopefully.
Israel's gonna take one day. They're going to be asleep in that plane.
Yeah, they're gonna sleep all the way over here, hopefully. because that's a long ride.
Made it here.
I know, I can't believe we're here. I think about, what am I doing? Like, I'm in America, you know? It's great. Oh yeah, you gonna sleep in here?
Yes.
Okay.
I think.
So you got his reaction. He does not want to go back to Israel. He's very happy here. He's got pretty much everything he ever wanted and asked for here.
Zeb sleeps in here too.
Zeb does not sleep in here, but that's a good thought to think about Zeb. All right, it's very hot out here. Daddy's trying to RAV4 now. So we're gonna see if it's any better than that. It looked really good, so we'll see.
Look at why. Give me why.
Oh yeah, look at that boy. You're looking good, Rafael. Favorite movie, Avengers, food, pizza, color, red, toy, Avengers, activity, swimming. Are we being nice to each other? Anyway, we left Daddy. He is now looking at a Honda. We went so far away from where we wanted to be, we don't even know what's going on now. We're gonna see if we can test drive this Honda to the house and see what he thinks of it. And I think the guy is gonna go with him, try to talk him into the deal, sweeten it up a little bit. So we'll see if he's gonna get this vehicle or not. It was just 108, and now it's 106 since we got in and turned the air on. 108! So hot! And Hadar hasn't called me, so I have no idea where he's at. Okay, that's the one we're looking at. It's pretty, isn't it? It is pretty. 2016. It's got the, yep. It's a good looking vehicle. Dark wood trim, black, soft, hard, perforated leather, side airbags, sunroof. Yep. And this has but look at that, it has a button that you can shut it too, and it shuts by itself. It's like, what? It's a touring CRV. It's like the bestest one ever. I really like it. Okay. Rafael has only been going to school for about a month, but he won an award. Math whiz to Rafael. She was waiting for Rafael to get up on stage, and she was so happy for him.
75.
There you go.